Hey YouTube, just making a bike check on my bike here. It's a 2011 Miracle Muse. I got it off miraclebmx.com for Christmas. Pretty much everything's all custom on it except for just a couple things, and I'll just show you. I'll just start from the first here. First off, I got the blue Primo grips. I love them. I got the black Cult Leader bars, the matte blue S&M Redneck XLT stem. I'll show you. It says Redneck XLT right here. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah. I got the shitty Black Label headset, 3 purple spacers, shadow sticker, stock forks, stock frame. I got the black Kenda tire. I love it. The Alienation double wall front rim. Same with the back, Alienation double wall, both. I got the stock cranks, blue Cult pedals. I like them. America sticker, 25 tooth sprocket, matte blue. I got it from VeanBMX.com. Great website. It says amber right there. I got the shitty old white KMC chain. The Shadow Conspiracy purple seat post. Stock DK seat, pivotal. The stock Miracle back wheel or tire that came with it. It's all right. Probably getting a new one though. And the Alienation double wall back rim cassette. And yeah, that's pretty much just my bike. And I'll let you listen to the sound of the hub here. So hold on a sec. Yeah, that's it. I like the bike. It weighs like 20 pounds at the most. I got blue rims here that I should have put on, but I got these off VeanBMX too that you see in the unboxing in my last video. Amber there, and then it says amber right there. There's my back wheel, and then my front wheel. Light as hell. And yeah, thanks for watching. That's my bike check. Thanks, bye.